Alright, what's up guys? Welcome to the first installment of this series I'm doing. I'm just gonna like document this PC build I'm gonna do. I'm gonna build a gaming PC. Tonight I'm gonna go pick up a motherboard and a graphics card from Craigslist. The motherboard is a ASUS Z170-AR and the graphics card is a Nvidia GTX 950. And so yeah, I'll pick up the video again when we go pick up the parts. Alright guys, we're on our way over to Starbucks to pick up the motherboard and graphics card. Yeah, hopefully it goes good. See you guys there. Alright guys, well I got the motherboard and graphics card, but I totally kind of bitched out and didn't want to film inside Starbucks, so but I got it right here guys. Brand new in the boxes. So yeah, let's get it home and check it out. Alright guys, so it's the next day. Last night we went and picked up the motherboard and graphics card. Yeah, sorry I didn't film like during the transaction. I felt kind of weird about doing that. I don't know. I just felt, oh, I got scared. That's what happened. But yeah, here's the motherboard and graphics card right here. Here's the boxes. Like I said, I got the ASUS Z170-AR motherboard, and I got the GeForce GTX 950 2 gigabytes. Yeah, let me know what you guys think about this combo right here. I got the combo here for 200 bucks. The motherboard is new and the graphics card is new, but they're from Craigslist. So yeah, let me know if you think that's a good deal or not. Let's open them up. So yeah, this is the motherboard right here. Yeah, for those of you who don't really know too much about computer hardware, this is the motherboard. This is what all the parts essentially plug into on the computer. This is where the processor goes right here. This is where your memory goes, your RAM. Your graphics card will go right here. This is where you plug in your like mouse and keyboard and stuff on the back of the computer. There's all your ports right here: Ethernet, sound, USB 3.0, display ports. So, and then over here, this is the graphics card right here I'm going to be using for this build. Like I said, it's a GTX 950. Yeah, this is kind of like a small graphics card for like smaller cases, but I'm going to run it anyways for now, see how it goes. Like I said, if you guys, let me know what you guys think about this combo right here, this motherboard and GPU combo. I got a good deal on it. I got this for 200 bucks for the combo. So yeah, let me know if you guys think this is a good combo or not. Alright guys, that's it for this episode. I know it's probably pretty dang short, but I just want to get this video series started on this build so that I would have to finish the build. Otherwise, I don't know if I'll finish it. Hopefully this will all go well. Won't encounter too many problems. If you guys have any advice, or if you guys think I can do better on the parts I got so far, let me know in the comment section. And yeah, make sure you guys stay tuned, because I'm gonna try and build this computer, and I want to be, you know, high performance while still being affordable. So I'm gonna be using all used parts, like I said. And yeah, I'll let you guys know how it goes. So thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace.